We are doing. What are we doing? I don't know. But we are trying to. I'm trying to find. How the heck? Anyways, I am playing the Hive. I don't know anything. Oh god, I'm lagging so much. I don't want to leave the adventure here. There's gorgeous. Oh my god. Then what do we do? Can you teach me? And how did you get that? I mean, oh my, that's dirty. Killing. I killed it. Oh my god, why so much? I'm like lagging so much. I found a chest, so is this good? Oh. Huh? Huh? Like box. I not deep here. And it's to nothing. There's diamonds on the floor. Does this mean anything? I don't know. Yeah. What? What did these do? Oops. Come on. I can't follow you if you're so fast. Wow, so this is my only wolf that's where yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. How much lag? Get what? I am. Hey, there's a path. I know where this goes. But she been right. Oh god. Oh god. I'll be in the dark so long. Mm. Um, it's I think. I think. So you guys don't. You have to remember. So dark, but I can find my way because of the lava crystal. It's so awesome. Okay, that's blocked. Sorry guys if I am. I'm like so lost right now. Can I go over here? Nope. I am lost, dude. I mean, girl. I'm like lost. I'm trying. She's. Oh, I shouldn't have done this with her. Even though I'm lagging, I didn't know I was gonna be like lagging like this. I'm lost. Wait. Yes, I made it. I think. I'm panting. Is it? Oh my god, guys, we're here. Phantom King. What? I'm lagging. Something's happening. Guys, I'll be right back. I don't know what's happening. I'm afraid to leave the game. I'll be right back. Sorry. I don't know what's going on. Okay, this is me now. I had a spike and then someone scanned it. What the heck? Can someone please give me one of these? Please, I really want one. There we go. Sometime. Well, guys, I don't know what to say because I'm not loading nothing. Oh my god. Sorry if I'm lagging because I don't know what's happening. Well, I will end it here.